Introduction to alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages were known to man long before recorded history. Alcoholic beverages were also an important element of public and private functions such as religious events, birth ceremony, and wedding parties, and even on burials. Wines and beers were consumed regularly in the daily life. They were considered to be much safer to drink than water, as being highly palatable, relaxing, and intoxicating. A potable liquid containing ethyl alcohol or ethanol of 0.5% or more by volume is known as alcoholic beverage. The word alcohol comes from the Arabic word alcohol. Pure alcohol is colorless, clear liquid with burning taste. It derives its color from the wooden cask in which it is matured, and sometimes caramel is added to give darker color. The first fermented product was probably a brew, and its reference is found in Assyrian cuneiform records over 7,000-year-old. Historians have called beer the ancient national drink of Egypt. The Egyptians called it hek. Beer was a drink of common man, and wine was preferred by wealthy people, being more costly. Classification of alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages can be classified as distilled spirits, wines, or malt beverages. Distilled spirits are further divided into spirits and liqueurs. Distilled spirits are liquors obtained from the process of distillation. Distilled spirits includes whiskey, rum, brandy, gin, vodka, ethyl alcohol, and others, used for human consumption. Distilled spirits do not include fortified wines like sherry or dessert wines. Wines. Wine is the fermented juice of fruits, usually grapes. Wines prepared from other fruits must be labeled with the type of fruit used for production of wine. For example, wine prepared from apple is known as cider, and from pears is termed as perry. Wine can also be made from the residue of grapes pressings, fruits, or other agricultural product mixed with water. Malt beverages is the one made with some barley malt and hops. It may or may not contain other malted or unmalted cereal products, or other carbohydrates or products made from them. Malt beverages are named according to the ingredients and method of brewing used in the production. They may be labeled as beer, lager, lager beer, porter, or stout.